guys, welcome to my channel, Red Flower Farms. So today I'm going to finish making my Winter Wonder soap. And I say finish because my camera totally died. It's like broken. I couldn't get the footage back off of it. So I lost the footage, but that's alright because it's just a plain white bar. There's nothing too special to it. The fragrance is Winter's Garden, and that's from Nature's Garden. And I love this fragrance. It's like one of my favorite winter fragrances. It's very fresh and clean. So today I'm going to show you how to pipe some poinsettias on the top. I'm going to be piping with a leaf tip 352, and my poinsettias are going to be all whites. First, I'm just going to pipe 6 leaves on the bottom row. Now I'm piping in between the 6 leaves, so I think it should be 5 leaves next. And then I'm going to make one more row on the top of leaves, and they're going to be a little bit smaller as we go up, and I'm going to do 4 leaves up on the top. And there you have it. I'm also going to, after I finish piping all these poinsettias, I'm going to go back and I'm going to put the centers in on them, which are just going to be dots, white dots with a writer's tip. I think I want to make this soap completely white, but I haven't decided yet about the berries, what color they're going to be. So it's been a couple weeks since I made a video and posted it. Like I said in my last video, I've been super tired. This pregnancy is just sucking the life out of me. Everything seems to be okay, but I don't know. I just want to sleep all day, and of course at night I can't sleep, so that's how it goes. At my last doctor's appointment, I was 30 weeks. This was last week, and I got a growth scan, and she's weighing 4 pounds, so she's gonna be a big baby. But that's no surprise because all of my girls were big. They were all 9 pounds except for my last one, and she was 8 pounds, I think 10 ounces. But anyway, I think I'm going to try and make a couple more winter soaps, and then I think that's going to be it. Because I got to get ready for Christmas, I got to get the house ready, and get ready for the baby, and I don't know. It's going to be just a lot of work, and I can barely tie my shoes right at this point. Last year, I made a pink poinsettia soap. I think it's called Peppermint Poinsettia. I'll leave a link below if you want to watch that video. The leaves on that one were a little bit more wrinkled than these. And I kind of wanted this one to be more full, so I've added another layer to it. And I'm really liking how these are turning out with the 3 layers of leaves instead of 2 layers. They're a lot more fuller, and they kind of look more like a star than the other ones did than last year's. Next year, I'm going to have to make a red poinsettia. Alright, now I'm going to be putting the centers in using the writer's tip. I'm just pulling up and putting steady pressure on, and that makes a dot. Now it's time to make the pine branches, and then I'm going to make berries, and then I'll be done. Alright guys, well, I hope you finish watching the rest of my video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and these are going to be ready in about 4 weeks. I hope to get all my Christmas soaps posted before Thanksgiving, but we will see. I'm going to have a Black Friday sale like I usually do. But just to warn you, if these are posted before Thanksgiving, they might be sold out before Black Friday because I didn't make too many of these this year. Alright guys, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.